Here's a Cat D5G XL. We just got it in. It's a one owner, 6-way blade. It's extra long undercarriage. 7 bottom rollers. Enclosed cab, air conditioned, radio, heat, air conditioned, heat, radio. It's joystick control, hydrostatic. 6-way blade. Got your drawbar in the back. One owner, one operator, one owner. It's all original paint and all it is. It's got good undercarriage. Probably it's got sealed lubricated tracks. Very, very nice. Okay, he's never drove one before, so this will be an experience. Now leave that alone in neutral. Put that in neutral.